Alright guys, so got a video this week about these new, looks like Luvo, I guess, Luvo Planted Power Bowls. Now, found 4 of these vegan versions. We've got Mighty Masala and greens, Hawaiian unfried rice, we've got SoCal kale and bean, and Great Karma coconut curry. These were actually in with like the regular frozen dinners and stuff, which was very exciting at the grocery store. I'd never heard of this brand before, but they are all vegan. And although they do have non-vegan options as well. But so what I'm going to do is, today is Tuesday, the first day, I'm going to have one of these, and I'm going to have one every day and talk about what I think. I'm thinking just up front, I think this Great Karma coconut curry, brown jasmine rice, garbanzos, butternut squash, I think that's going to be probably my favorite. And then it's hard to say because I think these all look pretty good, but then it's probably going to go Hawaiian unfried rice, maybe the masala and greens. I guess it depends on what else is really in there, but alright, so that's what I'm going to do for this video and take you through each one, so stay tuned. Okay, so day one doing the Hawaiian unfried rice. Let's see what this says here. So, looks like you just microwave it for 4 to 4.5 minutes. I don't own a microwave, but I've got these at work, so it's all good. Here's the ingredients. Pretty much just whole foods, so let's see what this is like. Alright, so here is the finished product. It's not like a huge portion or anything, but it looks good, smells good. So when it cools off the suck, I'm gonna give it a whirl and see what it tastes like. Okay, so I really liked that one. That had a really nice flavor. Wasn't a huge portion. Definitely could have eaten more, but it was nice. So I'm gonna give that one about like an 8 out of 10, I'd say. Alright, so today I'm having this one, the SoCal kale and bean with red rice, white beans, and broccoli. This looks pretty good. You know, it's probably right up my alley. I'm not a huge fan of kale, like I don't put kale in everything, you know. It's not like I'm one of those typical vegan, stereotypical vegans, I should say. But, so here's the ingredients for this one. Again, I mean, it's pretty much just all whole foods, tiny bit of oil, but it's mostly just, you know, whole foods and some seasonings. 291 gram for the bowl, 7 grams of fat, obviously cholesterol free, 360 milligrams of sodium, that's not bad. Lots of carbs, some sugars, 10 grams of protein, can't complain. So yeah, we'll try this one out. Alright, so this one has some really nice like Mexican spices in there. There's some cumin and stuff. So, you know, although it's a lot of like kale and broccoli and shit, you get good bean flavor. And we get some good Mexican flavors. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one an 8 out of 10 as well. So far, so good with these Luvo Planted Power Bowls. Oh yeah. Alright, next up on this weekly taste test is these Mighty Masala and greens. Brown jasmine rice, green garbanzos, cabbage, kale. Looks pretty good in the picture. I have a feeling this one could be one that I like less than others, but it's hard to say. So, here's the ingredients. Here's the nutritional facts. Let's fire this up and see what it tastes like. Okay, so this masala and greens, first thing I noticed was that it smelled amazing taking it out, so I'm just going to give it a taste here while I've got the camera on. Yep. Big thumbs up. Really nice flavor base. First impression, another 8 out of 10 for sure. So today is the last one of these Luvo Planted Power Bowls I'm doing. is the Great Karma Coconut Curry. There's the nutritional facts. This one does have some fat content because of all the coconut stuff, but still pretty decent. There's the ingredients. Here's what it looks like. Now, I've eaten a couple bites already, but the coconut flavor, oh, actually the curry flavor, that's the way to do it. I have to give this one a 10 out of 10, honestly. This is just incredible. So this one wins out of the 4, but they were all really, really good.